Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute sound on Instagram story. So if you got too much noise on Instagram stories, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can mute sound on any Instagram story, whether you are watching or posting. So to mute sound while watching a story, it's very simple. Let's just open the Instagram first. So in here, I'm going to open a story, let's say. Okay, so if you don't want too much noise on the Instagram story, to mute sound while watching a story, you can just simply press your phone's volume down button like this, or you can tap the speaker icon if available on the screen, and the audio will instantly turn off. And if you want to mute audio while posting a story, let's say here I'm going to upload a story, let's say this one right here, but I don't want any sound on my story here. So you can just tap on the speaker icon at the top of the screen, this one in here at the top. Before posting, you can click on this until the speaker icon is crossed like this, and that means it's already muted. But if you want the sound back, you can just tap on the speaker icon again before posting. So click on this button again, or turn your volume back up while viewing. You can also add some sound to your Instagram story to cover or to hide your original audio in the video that you want to post. So to sums up, if you want to mute sound on stories while watching, you can just press the volume down or tap on the speaker icon, and while posting you can just tap on the mute icon at the top before uploading. And that's how you can mute sound on Instagram stories. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, hit on the subscribe button, and also click on the thanks button. And don't forget to also drop a comment for your next IG tutorial. So I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.